Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mango, and I've tried to record a fairly decent intro video quite a few times now, but I've given up on that. I'm just going to make this really janky one and just say, please enjoy the video. I know I've been gone for a while, but please enjoy the video. Alright, first center done, and it only took half an hour. Jeez. I don't know why, but the audio cut out here, so I'm doing a quick voiceover just to say that I finished the white center at a little over an hour. Alright, so we're back with day 2, and I've still got about 2 hours, 40 minutes on my camera. I'm almost done with the red center. Blue and white are all the way done. I do have a better idea about how to start making these and inserting these, so hopefully as I get to like the last 2 or 3 layers, we'll kind of hopefully have a pretty good idea on how to start putting pieces into each layer without messing anything up. Let's just jump right back into doing the solve. Alright, first 3 3 centers are done. That puts me 1/4 of the way through on just centers. Center is finally done. 1/3 of the way done with centers. I'm already exhausted. All I did today was like the yellow one. Alright, so I have finally finished the first, what is this, 6? So I am halfway done with centers. I've only got like an hour 25 left on my SD card. We'll see how much further I can go. Either the battery gives out or the SD card does, so we'll see which happens first. Or maybe I solve the cube. I doubt I get this done in an hour, but there's the possibility that it does happen. However, very slim. Alright, I've gotten a pretty good portion of the pink side done, and I've got the green side done. So I'm gonna take a break for right now, get some water, eat dinner, and hopefully my camera will charge. And also, I've got about an hour left of video, so I might, while I'm at it, just upload the video from the SD card to my computer. That way I can get the full, like, 4 hours of space back. Alright, this is day 4, or 3 or something, I don't remember. But yeah. Alright, so I've got just 2 centers left. Slow zoom out here. I've got just 2 centers left, and I got about a minute left on this card, so I'm going to swap out the cards, and then we're just going to continue, and we're going to see how difficult it is to finish these last 2 centers. Alright, we're back, and we're going to do the last 2 centers. I did shift the camera a bit to hopefully kind of make this a little more center. I also did turn on my desk lamp, which I just did, so we're getting a little bit of better lighting. Still need to eventually go out and buy another lamp so we don't have this weird like shadow here. But for now, we're just gonna see how hard it is to do the last 2 centers. Alright, well, back to the point where you would normally do a commutator on a big cube. So just 1 piece left. I'm not 100% sure on how to do this, but I think it should be a fairly simple commutator like this. If it doesn't work, if it works, you know it works. So far, looks like it's working. There we go. Look at that. All the centers are done. Ooh, I don't even know how many hours that was. There's probably some sort of hour counter on the top somewhere. If not, then here's the time. But now onto the next step, which is doing all of these edges, which not necessarily something I'm looking forward to. But I am looking forward to being done, so yep. Alright, and here we are with day 4. We've got the first 7 edges done. We have 3 more to finish kind of this first layer here. Then we have 17 more or something to do after that. We have a lot of edges still to go. But first we're going to just start with this first layer, and then we're just going to move our way upwards from there. So probably going to do red, blue next. So that's what I'm going to do. And that should have preserved all the edges down here. It has. You can see we're making a pretty good chunk in there. I've got 10 edges left to do, so I've made quite a bit. We're starting to finally reach the peak of the mountain. Well, if I'm gonna get parity now, or I guess if I'm gonna get parity, it will happen now, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna get parity. Looks like we're gonna be fine. Let me solve the last 2 edges now. And no parity. Yes. That's quite a relief. I did not want to have to try and figure out some sort of parity algorithm. I'm not even sure if Megaminx, I guess, varietals can have parity, but did not want to find out. So if they do, and I just got lucky, then I'm happy with that. Last thing I've got to do now is just get all these corners in the right spot. Which means last three. I got the last 3 to do here to put them in the right spot. After that, I have to permutate them all so they're facing the right way. All right. I've only got 2 corners to do. All right, let's do this one first. Come on. There we go. Let's hope I don't mess this up. If I mess this up, I'm going to be really upset. Also, it'll still be in 3x3 stage though, so I think I'll be fine if I do mess it up. Here we go. Almost done. I got like 2 more cycles of this, I think. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and we're done. Oh my god. This thing has been quite the beast. I don't ever want to do that. I don't ever want to do that again. Dude, I'm exhausted now. Really relieved, but exhausted. All right, I have finally conquered the beast that is known as the X-Minx, which means it is time to do an outro and be done with this video. So let's just jump right into it. This has been quite the journey. This was a 6.5 hour solve spread over about 4 days, and those 4 days were spread out over probably about 2 weeks. And then after I recorded all the video, I had to edit it all, and that took me about a month and a half because I was learning how to use Premiere, which is a different video editor than I normally use. So I had to learn how to use Premiere and learn how to do all the effects from scratch. And so it has been quite the journey, but I'm done with it now. I'm thankful to be over with it. And if you guys stuck around this long, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.